Welcome to 18 fascinating car gadgets available on Amazon, with great options for everyone. So without much delay, let's get started. Having a reliable dashcam is a crucial tool for recording accidents, preventing fraud, monitoring driving behavior, and documenting road trips. The Viofo dashcam boasts real 4K HDR resolution for the front camera and full HD for the interior and rear cameras, ensuring your journeys are captured with stunning clarity. Even in low light conditions, the Sony Star-Vis sensors deliver exceptional image quality, enabling you to read license plates of front cars in the dark. The wide-angle lenses cover a broad field of view, eliminating blind spots. Store your videos securely on a micro SD card or in the cloud. When leaving your car, select from 3 parking modes to safeguard your vehicle effectively. Although we strongly discourage drinking and driving, having a tool that indicates your legal ability to drive is valuable. The Backtrack S80 Pro, featuring police-grade sensor technology, stands out as a premier portable breathalyzer. Trusted by health clinics, treatment centers, and law enforcement, it ensures reliable and accurate BAC results. Ideal for those seeking a breathalyzer delivering precision with every test. For accuracy, wait 15 minutes after eating or drinking before testing. Beyond providing precise results, this exceptional personal alcohol tester ensures user-friendly operation and reading, thanks to its high-contrast LED screen. It also includes 6 disposable mouthpieces for enhanced hygiene, making it a comprehensive choice for responsible alcohol monitoring. Bid farewell to car-related problems with the remarkable Nonda Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. This innovative device effortlessly plugs into your car's OBD2 port, establishing a direct connection with your smartphone. A few taps on the app reveal a comprehensive overview of your car's health, while customized alerts keep you updated on the health of your vehicle, offering peace of mind that the Zeus Health Monitor is always on, continuously checking all your systems. Utilizing an advanced algorithm, this device can even identify potential issues before they escalate, ultimately saving you both money and headaches in the future. Looking for ways to extend your Tesla travel experience? You should install Tesfridge, a portable freezer exclusively designed for Tesla Model Y and Model 3 subtrunks. Available in 5.3 and 9.2 gallon capacities, Tesfridge eliminates the need for ice, offering efficient storage. Its high-quality cooling compressor facilitates rapid freezing, reaching deep freezing temperatures in just 30 minutes. With a temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it accommodates various cooling needs. Thanks to its hollow design, it efficiently dissipates heat. Additionally, Tesfridge is Bluetooth-enabled, allowing convenient temperature control through a smartphone app while maintaining minimal energy consumption. Ever found your car stuck in mud or snow with no assistance in sight? Instead of relying on others for a push, consider the efficacy of these traction mats. Just place the recovery board in front of your tires, aligning with your driving direction, or slide it beneath the tire when deeply stuck. It's a straightforward solution that saves valuable time, ensuring you swiftly resume your journey. These mats are not just effective but also foldable, offering convenient storage in your car without taking up a lot of space. Need to look at those hard-to-reach places in your car? This diagnostic mirror, equipped with a built-in camera and LED lighting, captures every detail and instantly sends the footage to your smartphone app. Whether you prefer real-time viewing or saving it for later, the choice is yours. Its telescopic handle expands, ensuring accessibility to places that would have been difficult to reach. Need to inspect the vehicle while it's moving? Simply attach the device under the car using the magnetic base attachment. Searching for your sunglasses in the center console while driving isn't the safest thing to do. This is the Baseus Clip, a convenient solution for cars lacking a sunglasses holder. Easily attach it to your sun visor or air vent for quick access. Need to secure additional items? Utilize the clip to hang the pocket with your lunch, or keep your phone's charging cable nearby. A flat tire is every driver's nightmare, but fear not, if you have the right tool on hand. This compact tire inflator is powerful yet easy to operate. Just plug it in, attach the nozzle to the deflated tire, and the LCD display shows the chosen PSI level, easily adjustable with the included tips. Besides cars, it works with bikes, sports balls, and mattresses. The integrated ultra-bright flashlight proves highly useful during emergency situations. The gadget comes with a special case, making it easier to store and carry with you. Low phone battery is a problem, but a depleted car battery is even more concerning. Fortunately, this excellent portable charger can effectively revive a dead car battery. It offers compatibility with a wide range of modes, be it 6 or 12 volts, lithium, or AGM. Regardless of the battery's state, including being completely drained, this charger can bring it back to life. It automatically addresses issues like sulfation and other major problems, effectively repairing damaged batteries. Clear visibility of the charging status is ensured through backlit indicators. The charger supports universal clamps for all battery terminals and includes a thermal sensor for adjusting the charging cycle based on ambient temperature, making it a reliable companion in any weather. This is a potential life-saving headrest that has successfully passed the CalSpan safety crash test. In the event of a crash, it provides protection for your head and your neck. Setting it up upon delivery is a breeze. Simply lock in the left and right clamps, secure them in place, attach the 2 cushions on each side, and the installation is complete. After using it, you can easily lift the cushions and keep them in place until needed again. A word of caution: before purchasing this headrest, ensure that the seat has a metal rod for attachment. Employing a unique 3-stage filtration system, this device effectively removes up to 99% of pollution and dust from your car, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh and clean air. Particularly beneficial for individuals allergic to dust, pollen, and smoke, it maintains air purity consistently. Even if you want to roll down your window, it has a filter that lasts 8 to 12 months, and the LED indicator will signal you when it's time to replace it. Whether positioned on the back of seats or between front seats, activating the GoPure is as simple as pushing the start button, and it's ready to purify the air. At times, our tire pressure is just not at the level we need it to be. Rather than seeking the nearest gas station, this portable air pump comes to the rescue. As soon as you attach it to your tire, its digital display shows the current tire pressure, enabling you to inflate it to your specifications. The air pump operates wirelessly, eliminating the need for an external power source, and can be conveniently charged using a power bank. This ensures that you can inflate your tires anytime, anywhere in just a matter of minutes. Learn the art of transforming your car stereo into a mini PC with the CarPC AA Dongle, a compact USB wizard that brings the powers of full Android to your vehicle's infotainment system. Operating on a stable Android 9 platform, this revolutionary device boasts 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and the option for 4G LTE support. Simply plug it into your car's USB port, tap the Android Auto icon, and unlock the boundless potential of Android. Unlock the unrestricted access to apps like Netflix and YouTube, or indulge in your favorite games. Just avoid it while driving, for safety's sake. Discover the versatility of this multifunctional car accessory that serves as both a phone holder and a cup holder. Designed to accommodate smartphones up to 7 inches, it's suitable for various devices, from the iPhone 14 Pro Max to the Samsung Galaxy S10. Additionally, this cup holder is designed to hold large water bottles, compatible with popular brands and sizes ranging from 18 to 40 ounces. For added flexibility, you can even remove rubber tabs to create space for larger containers. With a 360-degree rotatable design, you have the flexibility to position your phone exactly as you desire. Meet the Cargo Seatbelt Tether, a must-have for pet owners with furry co-pilots. This innovative gadget minimizes distractions during your drive. Simply connect it to your pup's harness, and it effortlessly clicks into your car's seatbelt. No more hassle with undoing the seatbelt every time your dog hops in or out. Drive with peace of mind, knowing you and your pup are safely and conveniently cruising together. Enhance your car's multimedia capabilities with this versatile transmitter, enabling seamless music streaming from your phone to the car speakers. Boasting Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures fast and stable connections with minimal sound quality degradation. Pairing is a breeze, taking just a second, and user-friendly controls enable you to pause tracks or answer calls without distractions. The built-in echo-canceling feature adds to the impressive functionality. Beyond connectivity, it accommodates the simultaneous charging of 3 devices. Another model from the same manufacturer offers similar functions with larger buttons for enhanced control and includes an SD card slot. And for music enthusiasts, there's even a dedicated bass button for an enhanced music experience during your ride. Elevate your nighttime driving experience with the Govee interior LED car light set. Simply connect the cable to a DC adapter, attach the switch to your gearbox area, and place the lights under your seats. That's it. Use the accompanying app to effortlessly switch them on or off and customize colors to your liking. A fantastic gadget to elevate your evenings. This is the list of some of the most fascinating car gadgets available on Amazon. If you find this video useful, hit the like button so YouTube will promote it to more people. Also, if you enjoy seeing these useful gadgets all the time, then subscribe to this channel for such videos every week. In addition to the video you have watched, and the ones that I'm recommending to you, you'll find some of the best gadgets that'll make your life easier. I am Philip, and this is Bazillion Tech Review. Thanks for checking out this episode. See you in the next one.